You want to be alive?
Yes.
You want to be alive.
Yes.
What is your death year?
That year 2010.
And what is year running right now? 25?
25 years.
Why did you wake up after 15 years?
Husband commits adultery, if he commits domestic violence, if he asks for dowry,
She plant and she that time she cut the hand and after then she claimed the government this train has crushed my hand.
After you buy the property, can government take that property back?
Absolutely yes.
Absolutely, yes. The government is doing the same thing. That's just us is the properties.
If I put the same logo, if you
Is it copyrighted or not?
no, of course.
Of course, no. Look, it is copyrighted.
How can it be copyrighted?
And how can your spice be copyrighted?
Sajadi, when you talk to about this girlfriend, Sajadi know about it. He saw it on the Instagram.
So I have a mobile accessories brand and my opponent has copied my brand name and launched his products in the market.
These are only allegations. The judgment has not been delivered from the respected court.
That how you are portraying this court session or this advocacy session, right? If your partner is there, let me check the level of your talks and the logics that how do you do this and what is gonna give you it's gonna give you the IQ power. It's gonna give you the sense of talks, conversation with power. It's gonna give you so many information and knowledge about acts, articles, rules, laws, and of course, the power of educating yourself and client on your case. So let's just see how you do, and then I will mentor you that how you should do, by the way. Right? Okay, let me welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Abhishek is aware of the case, but he is not prepared completely. Or I cannot say 10% of it. Because it is something random, it's something spontaneous and impromptu, right? So the case is the dog kidnapper.
The dog kidnapping.
And you are claiming that the dog
My
was
client
kidnapped
did
by.
not.
My lord, thank you. And in this court, I stand by an argument which my co-friend, Mr. Abhishek, is saying that his client, Mr. Tomsey, did not kidnap the dog named as Jobso. The simple point or simple definition of this case is that he is directly hiding and concealing his client's allegations and excuses. And exactly, he has been convicted in this case because one of the witness has seen that his client, Mr. Thames, just, stole the dog from the street, gully number 6. And now he is claiming that the dog was not kidnapped. What about the witness? What about the CCTV camera? What about the dog's guardian? And what about the person who was walking near the street? Mr. Abhishek, over to you.
Well, like my lordship, as it's been addressed, these are only allegations. The judgment has not been delivered from the respected court. So, first of all, I would like to know the evidences which you have submitted to the Honorable Lordship.
My lord,
Yeah.
with your permission, I just want to show that this is the evidence number 1. This was captured by the CCTV camera of the gully number 6. And when it was captured, you can see that how dog is being kidnapped by this person. See it clearly, like, I want to show it to you. Is this not a proof?
Well, I totally agree with you that my client is there in the CCTV footage. But how can you make sure that this is the same dog which belongs to you?
My lord, with your permission, I just want to say, Mr. Abhishek, that what was your client doing at 11:30 p.m. at night in the gully number 6? What was he doing there?
My lordship, look at this evidence wholeheartedly. It's my client's dog.
Hmm.
And it's totally a sign of coincidence, you can say. Your dog's breed and my client's dog breed were the same.
So it means that you took my client's dog, or your client took my client's dog as his dog. It's also an offense that where he is claiming someone's property as his own property. कल को मैं बुर्ज खलीफा को कह दूंगा मेरा है, because मेरे पास एक बिल्डिंग थी, मेरे पापा मम्मी ने दिया था. How can I claim someone's property? And who's this dog? You can see, Mr. Jones.
Sir, you are wrong here. You caught my words or you interpreted my words in a...
So please brief it. I just want to understand. My lord,
Please be aware of the doctrine of harmonious construction, my lord. It's like I told you the breed of my dog and the breed of the dog which was stolen from your premise. It's on the same category. It's completely a coincidence, you can say, or it's like a kind of once in a blue moon category.
Once in a blue moon.
The color,
Hmm.
the breed
Hmm.
of your dog and my client's dog was same.
My client's dog was German Shepherd.
I told you the breed was same. German Shepherd is a breed. I told you breed.
The breed was same.
Yeah, even the buyer of the dog was spot.
I just want to say one thing.
Apart from this evidence which you have submitted in this court premise, what are the other evidence which are here to come?
I'll tell you.
Don't tell, just show.
Yes, of course. I'll show you. I'll show you that. Have you watched? I'll quote an example of the Panchayat web series. Have you gone through the Panchayat web series, anybody? To
My
that?
lordship,
No, let me come.
no, you are wasting the respected time of
No, I'm not respecting. Let me just quote an example of a web series which has been watched by millions.
talk on evidence basis.
No, I'll talk on evidence.
On evidence.
I'll just give an example actually. I'll give an example.
No example, any kind of example will not be entertainment.
The lady comes with the sleepers and she takes somebody's sleepers because she thinks that those sleepers belong to her. And after that lady claims that she's a thief. So same way, I am claiming that your client is thief because your client took my client's Shepherd, German Shepherd. And now you are saying that he did not take it.
Again, you are misinterpreting the evidence.
No.
मैं आपके लिए हिंदी में बोलता हूँ सर, आप इस चीज का फिक्र मत करिए. मैंने क्या बोला, आपके डॉग की ब्रीड और मेरे क्लाइंट के डॉग की ब्रीड सेम थी. आपके डॉग का कलर और मेरे क्लाइंट के डॉग का कलर भी एग्जैक्ट सेम. आपने बोला कि डॉग की ब्रीड जर्मन शेफर्ड है. क्या एक कलर का और एक ब्रीड का जर्मन शेफर्ड एक से ज्यादा नहीं हो सकता?
बिल्कुल हो सकता है.
तो आपने बस एक एविडेंस सबमिट किया सर.
ठीक है. तो आपके क्लाइंट को
मैं आपको देता हूँ, हमारे 21 पंजे हैं उसके टोटल. आपके डॉग के कितने हैं? एंड आई हैव सबमिटेड द सेम प्रूफ इन दिस कोर्ट आल्सो.
21 पंजे उसके भी हैं.
हाउ? शो मी दैट.
Of course. My lord. See the evidence. Right? See the evidence. 21 पंजे ही हमने भी रखे हैं. Right?
एंड उसका वैसेक्टोमी का ऑपरेशन भी हुआ होगा.
अच्छा.
आपके का भी
तो फिर नहीं उसका तो नहीं हुआ है.
बस फिर केस हैज बीन सॉर्टेड.
No, case has not been sorted. The dog which has been taken, it has not been actually operated. It has not been operated.
ओके.
Of course. And yes, one thing, my lord, one thing I just want to say that what was Mr. Abhishek's client doing in the streets of my client? First of all.
वो रात को 11:30 बजे अपना कुत्ता अपनी गली में घुमाए, दूसरे की गली में घुमाए, वो उसकी मर्जी.
भाई उसकी मर्जी कैसी चलेगी?
अब जब आपका डॉग चोरी हुआ, वो उस गली में था, तो उसमें मेरे क्लाइंट की क्या दिक्कत है?
अच्छा ठीक है.
That's the gravity of the case I am asking.
ये गवाह हैं. ये चार वहां क्या कर रहे थे? They saw. उन्होंने देखा and they witnessified, right, So these people actually are witness. Real, they have eyewitness.
Same is the testimony of these 4 witnesses with me, my lordship also. Moreover saying,
My lord,
he's पैट तक घुमा रहा था सारे.
this is stolen my document. I submitted this document as the CCTV footage and now he's claiming it's his document.
You are carrying the printout of the same.
ये सरकार की तरफ से लड़ेंगे, मैं मुर्गी वाली तरफ से लड़ूंगा. My lord, with your due permission, respect, I want to start and proceed a case in this court. And the case is quite interesting, I can say, because the case is about Priya's chicken. Priya had a very beautiful hen or chicken, we can say, my lord. And she used to tame it in a very good way. Then when it would grow, it would give some eggs. And Priya would boil it and eat it and made some omelets. But my lord, what happened? Due to the urgency and emergency of the train's pilot, he crushed. I know that the hen was Priya's crush, but now the pilot crushed this. And how painful situation was with Priya, that Priya was crying, sitting near the railway track and taking the only khoon blood in her hand. And she was crying. It's not about the value I'm talking about, the amount I'm talking about the hen. 400, 500, 1000. The pain behind the death of her hen and chicken. And now my co-opponent, Mr. Mandeep, is trying to say that he is favoring the government of India. And he is not ready to say that government can afford to pay back to Priya. Whether 1 chicken, 2 chicken, 3 chicken, we are paying taxes to the government.
So first, my lord, I wanna explain the case. Actually, Priya is fond of eating chicken. And when she was taking his hand, that time she was saying she was also talking to his friend.
Her friend.
She was talking to her friend, I wanna eat chicken. But he said to her, I don't have money. So she plant and she that time she cut the hand, and after then she claimed the government and this train has crushed my hand. So that's it. Case is clear.
That's a very good point.
It was not crushed by
My
him.
co-opponent, Mr. Mandeep, has said and has claimed a very good point. I totally disagree with the point, but I totally respect your point. My lord, I have a question. What if you cut the chicken and if the train crushes the chicken? Will you find some differences or not? Crush means it will be completely on the track and it will be completely messed up with the track or the railway track. And when you cut the chicken, even you can sprinkle the blood of the chicken on the railway track, but it will not look like it has been completely crushed with that. And my friend is trying to say that the chicken was cut by Priya.
Yes,
Priya, let me tell you her history. She goes to Gurudwara. She has taken the Charan Aspash of, Gurus, where she has claimed that, and she is following that. Baba ji ka कहना है शाकाहारी रहना है.
sir. As already have said that Priya has a chicken business.
I didn't say that.
You didn't say that, of course. And you are saying, but you are saying that just you are mentioning that Priya is devotee of God, but Priya is also fond of eating chicken.
How can you say that?
Because if a person is worshipping the God, it doesn't mean that he is not or she is not.
No. The punchline is different. Baba ji ka कहना है शाकाहारी रहना है.
Yeah,
And she is following the same line.
but we can't say that now. If every person is, because every person worship the God, but no one, but every person doesn't.
I'll ask you a personal question.
It's not.
Do you eat chicken?
I don't eat chicken.
If you don't eat chicken, why she also cannot eat chicken? She cannot eat chicken, of course. It's her choice.
But
if you don't eat chicken, why she can't?
But while worshipping, I'm not proving that. Now, if in that case, I worship the gods, it means I don't eat chicken.
Okay, let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
You don't eat chicken?
Yes, sir. I don't eat chicken.
Suppose she also does not eat chicken, right?
Yeah.
Will you ever cut the chicken?
No, sir. I will never.
Why will she cut the chicken?
I have evidence, sir. You can see that picture. In that picture, there is a meat of hand, and it is cut by a knife. It is not. You can see that there is some.
Some piece.
There are some pieces of. There are some piece of hands. So how can you say that it was cut by a train? It was crushed by a train.
I'll tell you,
Clear.
when any member of your family or relatives dies, what you do, you take him or her to the grave or crematorium, Shamshan Ghat or Kabristan. Priya loved so much to her hen and chicken. So what she did, she collected all the pieces of her chicken and she took in a wrap of cloth and she just buried in the grave for the betterment and welfare of the chickens and the society of the animals. Because she loved it so much.
Sir, I want to ask one question. Have you ever seen any person has any person keep hand for loving? Everyone just keep hand for just cutting, for eating chicken.
That's a wrong concept. Then
It's
it
not
means
so-
you want to say that everybody keeps the dogs for cutting.
Not
Because what? You will define the animals' differences. Chicken for eating, dog for loving.
yeah,
You are differentiating.
because no one keeps hand for loving.
No one can. And he is discriminating. He is discriminating. इंसानों के बीच में मैंने भेदभाव देखे तब तो जानवरों के बीच में भी होने लगा.
First,
I'm so sad, my lord. I'm so sad.
actually, sir, point is that your client is very fond of eating chicken, and that time she was saliving for chicken, and that's why she cut.
I think you don't have any point, my dear friend. You're repeating the point that she loved eating chicken. She was craving for eating chicken.
I have also saw the.
And why did a girl, एक लड़की होते हुए इनको रेलवे ट्रैक पे जाना क्यों पड़ा चिकन काटने के लिए? एक रेलवे ट्रैक पे क्यों जाना पड़ा चिकन काटने? She could have cut at her home. घर पे काट सकती थी, घर के बाहर काट सकती थी, घर के पीछे काट सकती
Sir, I already told you that she was going to market for eating chicken.
रेलवे ट्रैक से कौन सा मार्केट है?
Railway track was on the way. That's why she was crossing that railway track.
तो बीच में बैठ के आज तुझे काटते हुए तब I would cut you.
Where is
Come on.
when our friend said I don't have money that time she plant and she
I made did she cook? पकाया कहाँ इन्होंने?
yeah after then she decide I can claim the government after then I can earn so much money. She plant.
I can earn so much money.
Yeah.
Do you think that our Indian government will give so much money for a chicken?
But you are
I'm fighting for a chicken.
you are also sir fighting for money because first you said that
Priya, how much money I charged?
2 lakhs. She was also saying that 2 lakhs.
Huh?
20,000.
I'll not fight your case. Go. 20,000 मुर्गी के लिए केस में दोगे?
So you are also fighting for money, sir.
And you are fighting
Yes.
for?
Already you said that
And you are fighting for?
I'm just fighting for government.
It means you are a slave of government.
I'm a patriotic person, sir.
Now see, an advocate is trying to say that if he is following government, he is a patriotic. It means if I am the fan of government, I am देशभक्त. तो वही तो आपने ज़ात कहा है तो चल रही है.
I'm not charged for fighting any case.
You are a public prosecutor.
Already you said that,
You are a public prosecutor.
sir. First, what you said? You
Government
said
stand you. Are you public prosecutor or advocate or a lawyer?
I'm public prosecutor.
So it means government is paying you.
Yes, sir.
Did you go and fight for Nirbhaya case?
Yeah, of course I can fight for Nirvana.
No. Did you go and fight?
We did not fight. Did not go.
And you are fighting for the chicken only. बड़े बड़े केसेस के लिए आप पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूशन नहीं किए, आप आके मुर्गी के लिए कर रहे हैं और आप गवर्नमेंट को बचा रहे हैं. अरे गवर्नमेंट को क्या मांग रही है? सिर्फ 1200 रुपए.
I'm fighting for the truth, sir. I'm not fighting for chicken and I'm not fighting for.
I also fighting for the truth. क्या मांग रही है बेचारी वो?
You are fighting for money. Already you said that. He is saying
मिनिस्टर इधर बैठे 1200 रुपए नहीं दे पा रहे हैं.
now you are asking for money. You are fighting for money. Already you said that he is saying to the government, all right, we will not provide the money.
That's fine. Thank you very much.
My case is I'm Chandan Kumar.
अच्छा, my case is I'm Chandan Kumar. I said ठीक. Okay, ठीक है. Sorry.
This is the case of the part.
Hmm.
My name is Chandan Kumar, but as a government, मैं चंदन कुमार नहीं हूँ. मैं 2010 में ही मेरी डेथ हो चुकी है. बट मैं अपने सेल्फ को प्रेजेंट करने के लिए गवर्नमेंट से अपील कर रही हूँ कि मैं ही चंदन कुमार हूँ. जो डेड बॉडी थी वो किसी और की थी. So this is my case, sir.
So you are fighting for your own
Yes.
and I will be fighting for against you.
Yes.
इनको मार दिया गया है कागज में, लेकिन ये जिंदा होना चाहते हैं कागज में, और जिंदा है फिजिकली, बट कागज में मरे हुए हैं, आधार कार्ड नहीं है.
I want to pursue my case. As per the report, my name is Chandan Kumar, but at the government report said that I am not a Chandan Kumar, so I can appeal and I can give the document of my grandfather and grandmother. You can see, and I have also proof of the registration of date of certificate. So I can claim that this I am Chandan Kumar. This mention date of certificate not valid. So this is my point, my lord.
Okay, my lord. Mr. Chandan is trying to say that he is not dead. He is alive. Physically he is alive, but documentally he is dead. Have you heard about CAA, NRC? He's a Bangladeshi person. He wants to live in India. And now he is claiming that I want to be an Indian, and he is asking for the approval of the government by having Aadhaar card and PAN card and license and all. And look, my lord, how many Bangladeshi, how many Pakistani, how many Sri Lankan are just invading to India? Is only India the country who is going to give the shelters to all the country's men and people? And now how false claim he is doing, and he is blaming to the government of India, and he is standing in the respected Supreme Court of India.
After my lord, sir told me I am Bangladeshi. So if you told my grandfather, he is also from India. You asked to my grandmother, he also from the India. How can you say that I am from Bangladesh?
That's a very valid question, because you gave them bribe of 1 lakh rupees. Dadi dada ban jao, main 1 lakh rupees de raha hu. And now you made the Aadhaar card by the false records, and now you are claiming they are your dada dadi.
Sir,
how they can be your dada dadi when they have another pota?
Sir, this is my DNA report, and you can match my father and mother. This is Indian, and my DNA report is same. So how can you say that I am from Bangladeshi?
He is showing me the DNA report by a quack, Jhola Chhap doctor. The DNA report you are taking from a Jhola Chhap doctor and you are showing and present.
No, sir, this is not Jhola doctor. He is the MBBS pass in the Delhi and
According to you and according to the government of India?
no, you can research this report.
Okay. So all your reports, whatever you are presenting, that's probably true. And my reports are not true.
No, I'm not disagree कि your report is wrong. You can have a evidence. You can prove. I have a proof, so I can show my DNA report. This is the valid. This is my side, no sir.
Valid. No, that's fine. So Mr. Chandan is trying to say that he wants to be alive. He's physically alive, but he wants to be alive in the documents of India. You want to be alive?
Yes,
You want to be alive.
yes.
What is your death year?
That year 2010.
And what is year running right now?
Running
25.
25 years.
Why did you wake up after 15 years? 15 साल बाद क्यों जागे आप?
Because sir,
No, because where were you? I am asking.
yes,
आप कहीं किसी ISI का जो है सपोर्ट कर रहे थे? किसी मुहिम पे आप समर्थन कर रहे थे? भारत के खिलाफ साजिश लड़ रहे थे आप?
sir. Firstly, I appeal my district magistrate court. This case running in 5 years in my district magistrate court. After not find the solution, I can appeal High Court. And after 5 years not find the result, then I appeal Supreme Court in 2025. That's the reason the case in delay day by day. And you know, the Indian constitution is the very long. So this is my good.
My lord, Mr. Chandan being an advocate standing in India and in a respected court, and he's saying, you know constitution. He's respecting the constitution of India. He's Bangladeshi. He's Bangladeshi.
Sir,
He's saying, oh, you know India.
do you have any proof about the I am the Bangladesh? I have a proof that I am the Indian person.
Then why are you not alive? फिर जिंदा क्यों नहीं हो आप?
This is the mistake of
Whose mistake?
this is the mistake of survey.
जनगणना.
ये जनगणना.
No, the problem is not in the जनगणना, because when जनगणना census people went to your home, आप लोग 9 भाई बहन थे, उसमें से छुपाने के लिए 3 भाई बहन को हटा दिया गया और 6 बताया गया औलाद है. It was told that we have 6 sons and daughters. 3 लोगों को हटा दिया गया. जब आपको जनगणना वालों ने मार दिया, अब आप कह रहे हैं मुझे जिंदा करो. तब आप उस वक्त क्यों नहीं बताए जब जनगणना वाले आपके घर गए थे? ये 9 बच्चे नहीं बताना है, क्योंकि सरकार जो है सवाल उठाएगी. हम दो हमारे 2 वाली मुहिम का है.
But sir,
You are misinterpreting.
I have only 2 brothers, not a land member in my family. And
Then why did you hide from the census? Why did your parents hide? Did you ask ever?
no, my parents didn't hide. Yeah, I have 9 children. I have only 2 children. My parents told the जनगणना survey.
Do you have Aadhaar card?
Yes, I have Aadhaar card.
No. मौत के बाद आधार कार्ड कहाँ से आया?
Sir, this is my case. This is the mistake of जनगणना survey.
How did you get the Aadhaar card?
Sir, you know, sir, Aadhaar card started in after 2010.
Or you died in 2010?
No, this is the mistake.
Come on, केस कहाँ से लड़ोगे मुझसे? 2010 से 10 में मर गए. 2010 के बाद आधार कार्ड चालू हुआ. आधार कार्ड है इनके पास. वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ कि that is what I'm saying. और आधार कार्ड हम कैसे लेके आए?
Third agent से.
हाँ वही, that's what I'm saying. He's Bangladeshi. Come on. And I'm sorry, Bangladeshi people.
Government did that government start mapping online and they just register in online. In that case, sometime owners like who has owned their field paddy fields or sheep farms are not able to register online. And I am developing a case that one person, my client, is not able to not had that much idea regarding the registration, online registration, and he also failed to meet the person, government person who came for that purpose. Accidentally, government want to government in according to the record of the government, it seems like the area is no one's place as of their online record, but the person owner itself had their paper form report, and he is government what is coming can his place to use for some government purpose, building something. Now the case is that can he comes to the court for his right.
Good evening, my lord. So, Mr. Kennedy, yes.
I am going to deliver fast because I am going to start a case because I am the victim. I am from the victim.
You are the victim.
And you will be the government.
I will be the accused one, the government one. Okay, fine. Have you proceeded the things?
Yes, I am just narrating the situation.
Please.
I will to fight for the right of my client who is unknowingly taken away by the government due to negligence of their employee, while registering the land of my client, instead they don't inform regarding this online registration of land to every person in our bill, in their village, my client's village. So my client is not able to register land online, and now the government is government came to his village and he's tried to use the land without informing my client, and it seems like the government itself just snatching his right of property. So, my lord, I am here to I am here and just requesting you stop the process or progress done by the government against my employee. That is, they, without informing to my client, my victim, my client, they start using his land for their purpose. It's just like is my the advocate from the government side mentions that they don't have we don't have a right to property. But in the constitution, even though it is away from the fundamental right, it is itself in the Article 300A of our constitution. What is the use of this paper? Is the government if the government introduce new scheme, then the old paper will be neglected. Then how a common people who doesn't have that much knowledge regarding this sudden sense of technology will compete with them? So, my lord, the thing is they snatch away his right, and I am here just ask you to return his right. And if the government needs its land, according to we already know that government can take the land from any person if they thought that that land is used very much required for government purpose. They need to ask permission from the owners itself first. So in this case, they just skip all this step. So my client feel he has been betrayed.
That his client has been betrayed. And what if I say in opposite way that government has been betrayed by your client? After 1947, when India got freedom, and after the Pakistan and India separation, then what happened? The property got distributed among the citizens of India. Who distributed the property? It was government. Who gave the lands? Who gave the property? Who gave the fields? Who gave the houses property? It was government. And now you are blaming the government. The government is trying to take the property, having the cards, having the document. And how false argument it is, I just don't understand that how blameful game is being played by my friend for the government.
At this point, my lord, I want to clarify one thing. The government advocate mentioned that the papers are distributed by the government of India. Now the proof for this land is with my client. The question or the thing which brought in the court is that neglecting the proof that they have given when they distribute the land. So what is the use of this paper?
I'll ask a question. The question is, what if you go and ask from the government's land some amount of land for opening up the school? After that, you privatize the school and you claim that the land is mine, the property is mine. Same way, your client is doing the same thing. He took government land on lease for some welfare and some schemes, and then he converted into privatization, and after that he is claiming the property belongs to him. And he has made this half-made paper converted into the full-made paper by giving some bribes to the adhikaris and employees of the government.
At this point, I can say that my opponent is just setting up the example that is not related to the case. The case he is trying to divert the cases on this point. The thing is, unfair means then his employee is not doing his work properly. But this paper is only issued by the government employee and those adhikari who is related to this field.
I'll ask you a question, Mr. Kennedy. I'll ask a question. Are you a government advocate or a private advocate?
As of now, I'm a private advocate. I am fighting against this victim. Against the private victim.
You are a private advocate. Yeah. What if you lose this case?
I think, my lord, this is not related to the case. There is a victim. This is just my lord. This is becoming partial. It's becoming.
Answer my question.
No,
What if you lose the case?
I don't need to answer this question.
No, come on.
I am asking. I am here for my victim.
What if you
For the right of my victim.
What if you win the case?
It will decide later. I have some agreement is the case line. It doesn't. It give. If my lord, there is no need to disclose. I'll tell you regarding all this thing.
Now I'll tell you the point, my lord. I want to tell the point. What if you lose the case? What if you win the case? There are two types government employees. One works for the government, one works for the money. It was your client who bribed some thousands rupees to one of the government's employee who took the bribe and put his signature and his stamping on the paper. And now you are claiming that this paper belongs to your client.
My lord, the point he is again setting up an example that my client is giving some bribe to his government employee and all other things. It's just a setup. I am here for my victim, and I am just asking the rights regarding why they don't consult my client while developing or while using my client's land. And now my opponent is just setting up examples again and again, which is diverting against from the cases.
Do you have any idea about 370?
370, nah? Yes.
Do you have idea about it?
Yeah.
Can you buy property in Kashmir?
Right away, as a citizen of apart from other parts, we can buy. Nowadays, we can.
You can?
Yeah.
After you buy the property, can government take that property back?
Absolutely, yes.
Absolutely, yes. The government is doing the same thing. That's just us. Is the properties. I am not is taking the property.
I am not against why government is taking the land. I am against why government is not informing to my client, to the owner of the
I'll give
land.
you an example. You are doing studies in Happiness Institute.
Yes.
I'll make a banner or a poster and I'll put it on MCD wall. Or I'll put it on this metro property. If government is sending me the notice, you just, actually dirty or just, you did something wrong with the government property. What will I do?
You have to take.
Will I accept it or not?
You have to take down that
I
one.
have to take down, otherwise I'll have to pay fine.
Yeah.
The same thing government is doing that कि भाई fine दो, मेरी property को 15 साल इस्तेमाल किया, मैं मांग रहा हूँ तो paper दिखा रहे हो?
That is the issue, sir. Sir, you also mentioning at that point that government give you notice regarding what you have done. But in my case, my client doesn't get any notice regarding that.
Okay,
That is the issue.
that is the issue.
That is the issue.
Your client did not
Issue is the
I noticed. It means you accept that he was deserving the notice.
he was deserving.
Deserving the notice.
Yes, government wants us to use the land.
Come on, he was deserving the notice. You accept it now.
I accept.
You accept it. You accept everything now.
What I mean is,
Your client was just waiting for the notice.
why I can give you one example.
Come on, give me an example.
If you own some land and government want to use your land, government will inform you first.
Yes.
But in my case, government is not informing that. And if you are not going to simply, you're trying to, misinterpret the case. So I am not misinterpreting the case. Now you are, now again, what you have done is that if government wants to want to accuse some land of your land, then what? You will ask for some.
Please try to understand.
Yeah.
This property belonged to government. Your client took it for the welfare schemes.
No, it's
Come on.
opposite.
For example,
Yeah.
PMKY, Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana.
Yes.
If we take any property of the government for opening a center of PMKY and we are running a center, after that property got converted into the privatization. And then the government comes and says that property को आपने privatize क्यों कर लिया? नहीं कागज देखो ना मेरी है.
No.
What is this?
इसमें तो वो
And government school
there will be some agreement regarding that, no, sir.
That's why your client did not follow the agreement.
No.
Your client did not follow the agreement.
My client used this land for cultivation.
Well played. Very good. बहुत अच्छा.
My case is the preview of the case is basically I have a spices farming and I import my product. It's an organic farming and the brand is Organic India, suppose. The Organic India. So I am importing this material to other countries, but some of my employees are using that material and importing in the other way. So I have the case against them. Okay, see.
Thank you, my friend. Ritika, Rice. And my lord, with your due respect, I want to start this case. Have you heard about McDonald's,
Yes, of course.
KFC?
Yes, of course.
Have heard? What if there is McDonald's? Will McDonald's claim McDonald's?
No, but
It is-
there is no sub brand like.
Your spices are there.
Yes.
Is your spice copyrighted?
Yes, we have the bio patent for that.
You have the bio
Bio
patent.
patent.
If anyone tries and puts complete efforts, I'll ask you a question. Have you heard about Tata Airlines,
Yes.
Jet Airways,
Yes.
Indigo?
Yes.
Are they claiming copyrights to each other?
No, but they don't have the patent for that machinery.
That-
But we have the patent for that land and for that particular spices.
Do they have the copyrights of the airlines industries and companies and brands names, logos and all?
Yes, but nobody can take our material. Like if we talk about the basmati rice also, that was bio patent by other countries.
I'll ask you a question. Who was Leonardo da Vinci,
The artist.
the artist who designed a map of, plane? And in the 19th century, that was converted into the right angle by the Wright brothers of America. Now, who will claim? Who will have the copyright? Leonardo da Vinci or Wright brothers? प्लेन का राइट किसके पास होगा? लियोनार्डो दा विंची ने मैप बनाया, राइट ब्रदर्स ने प्लेन बनाया.
Misleading this case. He's trying mislead this case by
I think you don't have the answer.
different options and different.
I think you don't. It's an angle of my
No,
question.
but we have the bio patent. Bio patent clearly says that if I grow this, is it not
Copyrighted content.
I cannot grow that in spices.
I respect
plant.
your copyrighted content and material, but who has the right on the plane?
You are just misleading about the
I'm
plane.
not misleading. Come on, who are me? Royal Brothers.
We are talking about the spices. The bio patent is for spices, not for the.
What is
the
this?
plane.
What is this?
This is just a board.
This is the just about. Is it copyrighted or not?
If I put the same logo, if you
No,
don't
is
have.
it copyrighted or not?
No, of course.
Of course, no. Look, it is copyrighted.
How can it be copyrighted?
And how can your spice be copyrighted?
Because it is the spice and the.
It is the logo. It is the brand logo, brand name running for 13 years.
Yeah,
And it's not copyrighted.
because you have some.
Spice is copyrighted.
You have the patent for that brand now.
Of course.
Yes, same way I do have the patent, but
You're
my,
claiming that it's not copyrighted. You just said it's not copyrighted.
it's not copyrighted because you have the patent for that.
So what is the copyrighted then?
The thing which is don't have the patent for the particular thing.
It is not copyrighted.
Yes,
So you
because
can-
it's your only brand.
You can also start this logo business anywhere.
I can start until and unless I do have the patent, and if
Come on.
you share me the command, I can use it.
I share you the command.
Yeah,
Who has the copyright of this?
the owner will only have the copyright for this.
Is it copyrighted or not?
No, it's not copyrighted right now. But if the owner gives the
Who is the owner of this?
Mr. Abdullah sir is the owner. If he gives the
Does Mr. Abdullah have the copyright of this?
yes, he will surely have. If he don't want to spread the brand.
But he's saying that it's not. You are saying it's not copyrighted.
Copyright is basically you are just misleading. The copyright.
I'm misleading. Come on, answer. I is asking you. Copyrighted है या नहीं है?
No, of course
You
not.
are saying no. आपका मसाला copyrighted है, हमारा logo copyrighted नहीं है.
Logo cannot be copyrighted until and unless you have the brand. Organic India is my brand. It cannot be spread.
Happiness Institute is the brand of Mr. Abdullah. So Mr. Abdullah has copyright of this logo or not?
Yes, obviously he will.
That's what I'm asking. Is it copyrighted or not?
Yes, it's legally.
No.
That's the patent.
See, I think you are mentally somewhere in the confusions. When you don't know about the logo that it is copyrighted or not, how can you claim that your masala is copyrighted or not?
Because I do have the legal procedure.
मैंने
for
आपसे 10 बार लोगों के लिए पूछा तब जाके आपने जवाब दिया.
you have.
मसाले के लिए आप कोर्ट में खड़े होके जो है कि you are misleading the court and case. Your masala should be patent. It's not copyrighted even.
Yes, it's not copyrighted.
It's patent. KFC masala is patent,
Yes,
right?
yes.
But what if any other company makes the masala, same masala, or even up to that masala? What's wrong with it? He or she has his or her own efforts.
But they are exporting my products to other country in different packet form now.
How will they get and receive your products?
Because of the testing. I show the testing and the lab testing. The lab testing clearly proves that that brand and my brands have the same ingredients and same composition of the substances.
It means that you don't have the privacy in your masala.
My em-
How it got exposed?
it's my case because it's the only case that my employees have cheated me and they have
You
used that.
you are not a
My
brand.
no, we are a brand. We have the
Has KFC been stolen? Has McDonald's been stolen? Burger King being stolen? Domino's has been stolen? Of course, never. And you have been stolen? Your masala has been stolen? How easy it is to steal your masala and all? That means you don't have that. Exactly, you don't have that brand. You are just claiming my brand, my patent, my brand. Somebody takes my logo, I will go and I will fight, lodge an FIR against him.
yeah. I have fight the case. That's why I'm here to appeal for my.
This is what nobody can copy it. And your patent, I think, is not a brand. Maybe before you, he or she started your patent.
But legally, I have the patent that is started before the date.
In brand wise, you are not a patent. As you want to support girls,
Yes.
and I have to support boys.
Boys.
You will be doing debate. Yes. Chalo, start karo. Why do you support girls?
Sajadi thinks when you told Sajadi you in past you have a 9 girlfriend. Now this Sajadi think about it because you already told this girl same thing. That's like a Sajadi, you are a I love you more than anyone. You are my everything. You same thing you told the 9 other girls. That he got affared because he think about you leave it. That's why he want to separate with you.
I was in European countries. I was in Maldives.
Sir,
I was
we America cannot talk about another country. I was other country girlfriends. Alag.
My girlfriends were in European countries. I was in Australia, New Zealand, USA, UK. The country I moved, I had a girlfriend. And I moved to 9 countries. I had 9 girlfriends.
Yes, sir.
What's wrong? And if I am telling something true, then what's Shahzadi's problem?
Because Sajadi's, you also told the same things. 9 girls. You told the same.
No, I told
things.
the true thing. I had 1 girlfriend in America. You are my London wali girlfriend. Will you be my girlfriend? She said, of course I'm ready.
No, sir, this is not possible. You live in India, then you think that
Shahzadi is an Indian.
you are also.
I am an Indian.
Yes.
I was in European country. If there is a Western culture and I had to follow it, what's problem? And now Shahzadi is my real girlfriend and I have devoted my life to her. I will get married.
Because Sajadi, when you talk to about this girlfriend, Sajadi know about it. He search on the Instagram and talk to each other. He know about the what he say promise to her.
I'll ask you a question.
Yes.
Do you know Amitabh Bachchan?
Yes, I know.
Jaya Bachchan?
Yes.
Are they husband and wife?
Yes.
Who is Rekha?
Rekha is the. Sir, is the part one. Yes, sir. Yes.
Who is Rekha?
Sir, but this is the only one girl says the not a.
Now you are misinterpreting the case.
No, sir, I'm not. You say you are 9. 9, you promise to 9.
Okay, do 1 but don't do 9.
Yes, I can.
Matlab, have a sip of poison, but don't take a glass of poison. Right?
No, sir.
Marna tab bhi hai. इससे अच्छा पूरा glass.
Because Sajadi affair, you know, he cheat him in the future. That's why he don't want to love.
Do you know Shah Rukh Khan?
Yes, sir.
What is his wife name? Gauri. Are they husband and wife?
Kajal is the girlfriend.
No, Kajal is not the girlfriend. But he acts with so many actresses.
Yes.
Does Gauri Khan have problem?
Sir, he just doing acting with him.
Okay.
Not say.
Not girlfriends. Not girlfriends and boyfriends, right?
Yes.
So I am not having girlfriends right now. I was doing jobs and business in European countries.
Yes.
So I was having some export and import business and I was having girlfriends there.
But with 9 girls, you will spending a lots of time.
No problem.
But his problem because he affair with cheater.
What kind of cheat? Okay, see. Paper. Let's suppose this is someone who can be single in your life. And this is another one, this is another one, this is another one. These have been disposed. And now you have the single one. अब ये कह रही कि आपने उन्हें वहाँ क्यों डाल दिया?
Sir,
आपने ऐसा क्यों उनके साथ आप ये
sir, you cannot relate this example. This is the different things. This is the spending a lots of whole years with each other. If we love each other, then he is spending a lots of with your whole years with Sajadi. Let's think if you spending some time with Sajadi and he think about you, he think about that girls. If you leave it, then also he leave it.
There is a point. Bury the past. Bury the past. Past ko dafna do. And Shahzadi has not the guts to bury the past. Did I ask about her past? Maybe her cousin was her boyfriend.
No, he told everything is true. We also tell the truth. Her Sehzadi.
Did I ask any personal question to her? I told her because I truly love her. That's why I told कि I had 9 girlfriends.
That's why he did not want to separate with before. When he told her, he knew about the situation. That's he affared.
You won the case.
So I have a mobile accessories brand, and my opponent has copied my brand name and launched his products in the market. So I have a case against him.
And now my product has been circulated in the entire world. And he is jealous of me. If you don't have the guts and power to brandize yourself or make yourself a brand,
But it's been registered in the government of in the government's website.
then I don't have I don't have the right to take your copyright. I have manufactured my own. And now you are claiming, for example, suppose you are my student.
Yeah.
You study from here and you go somewhere, and in Lakshmi Nagar even, you open your own institute. It's happiness, you open Joyful Institute. Now I will come to your office. How have you opened? That's my copyright.
No, this
You studied the
No.
syllabus from my side.
But he's like using my name. My name, for example, my brand name is Bright.
Okay.
So he's using the exact name.
Check the font.
But in the website or legally, the font was not mentioned.
Amazon, have you seen that?
No, if the font is actually
Come on, Amazon. If one letter is missing,
Yeah, that's a different. If one letter is missing, the word is completely different.
different.
But he's using the same name, na? The font is not the. Really?
What's
Like if someone is using the Dominoes, so he cannot use the Dominoes by changing the font.
that's true. That's true.
Yeah.
What's the spelling of your brand?
BRIGHT.
Due to that pronunciation, you are thinking that I am using Bright BRIGHT. अरे भाई देख तो ले आप टेक्स्ट को, स्पेलिंग तो चेक करें. किसी ने बता दिया वहां ब्राइट खुला हुआ है, आपने उस ब्राइट को अपना ब्राइट समझिए.
But he is misrepresenting our
I'm not
customers.
misrepresenting.
He is misrepresenting our customers.
You are running Sprite, SPRIT.
Yes.
I am running Sprite, SPRIGHT. What's wrong? Don't I have right? I can run that.
No, but he is misleading the customers.
I'm not misleading, or I'm not misleading the customer.
Customers are misled by the
Do
brand.
you
name
think?
Sprite.
Okay. Have you heard about Bisleri? Go and see. You will find Bisleri. And if you find Bisleri, is Bisleri claiming that why are you running Bisleri? If you have mind, you will go for Bisleri. Bisleri is a brand. और अगर ऐसी पानी लेना है तो Bilseri हो, बिल भरी हो, Bilseri हो.
Still, he is misleading the customers.
See, if you don't have a great brand, people will eat you down, engulf you. If you are a brand, nobody can break you. Thousands of institutes will open in Lakshmi Nagar. Nobody can break Happiness Institute. It's a brand.
Yeah, it's a brand, but
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Make a Bisleri a brand. Make a Bright your brand.
yeah, it's a brand. That's why people are copying, na.
It's just
It's
a
a brand. That's why
It's a brand in the written. मैं कुछ लिखवा दिया बोर्ड पे, मेरा brand है, मेरा brand.
someone is copying something because it's a brand. That's why it's copying.
Maybe he has not copied. He has used his own mind and he has just innovated something like BRITE.
No, but the bride is already been registered in the website. But he's
No problem. Website. What is the price of the domain?
no website in government website. It has
That's fine. Under section or under article?
It's not in the article. It's a MCA website. It's been registered in MCA.
MSME. You have taken MSME of that or ISO or ISI mark.
It's registered in MCA.
Under section 144.
Yeah, then nobody can. Then no.
Oh, sorry, 44. It's registered under section 44 or the class 44.
Okay.
So all the educational institution and academies come under 44 section. So it is 44. What's your section I'm asking? My Sprite or my Bright business is actually, has been taken under section 66 or class 66. What about your class?
Yeah, the same class.
Come on.
Yeah.
You are copying my class.
No, the class 3. It's been registered in the same category of mobile accessories. So he's also.
You are running a mobile accessories shop
Yeah,
and I'm running.
but he's using.
You are running mobile accessories. Yes. I am running mobile store.
My question is like he's manufacturing with my brand name.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, not about the shop. It's not about the shop. He's using my name now.
Oh, come on. What your name? What's your name?
Bright Industries.
No, what's your name?
Rishabh.
Rishabh. If I give my son's name Rishabh,
Yes.
is it wrong?
But it's not applicable in
नहीं नहीं, I'm just asking a normal question. मैं आपसे सवाल कर, मैं अपने बेटे का नाम ऋषभ रखता हूँ, आपको कोई दिक्कत?
no problem.
तो what's your problem अगर मैं अपनी दुकान का नाम ब्राइट रख रहा हूँ तो?
It's not applicable in businesses.
Do you have any copyright for your name? You have copyright of your brand name?
Yes.
What is the spelling?
BRIGHT.
What's my spelling?
Same BRIGHT, but
I'll tell you an example. Do you have a knowledge of domain, website domain or hosting?
Yeah.
If I am taking happinessinstitute.com, can you take happinessinstitute.in? If I am taking .com, you can take .in.
But he is using like BRIGH capital T, my
No problem.
small letter T, but he using the
Capital T.
capital T. Yeah.
Come on. Then what's wrong? Leave. अरे बेचारे को खाने जीने दो.
No, why should like
इसका मतलब आप डॉन है. You are डॉन. आप किसी को चलने नहीं देंगे, मारेंगे सबको दौड़ा दौड़ा के.
no? He can use some other names. No? Why should it's already been registered and he is using legally
What's your website domain?
brightindustries.com.
My website is also brightindustries.com.
Yeah.
GoDaddy ने मुझे डोमेन कैसे दे दिया?
He cannot give the same domain.
अलग डोमेन था ना?
He cannot give the same
अलग डोमेन था ना? अलग डोमेन लिया मैंने. I have taken a different domain. When I have taken a different domain, different copyright, different logo, now you are being done. I search for happinessinstitute.com.
Yeah.
Somebody in America bought it. And that's for 5 lakhs rupees now. I had to take .in now. And I have taken .in. Can anyone take .in now? No. Can I take .com now? No. Can you take my Bright? No. Can I take your Bright? No. When that will get expired, I will purchase it also yours.
No, you are misleading. You are telling about the online thing, but I am not telling about the online thing.
You're talking about the government stamping things.
Exactly.
Of course, government has stamped me. Government has stamped me.
Like, no, how it cannot be possible.
Read it.
It's a completely fake document.
Arey, come on. It means you're trying to just, falsify the notary of the Supreme Court of India. ये नोटरी लगाई गई है सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया से. सुप्रीम कोर्ट का स्टैंप लगा हुआ है.
No, it cannot be possible. I have to check. I have to go through. I have to check.
You can.
No, my lawyer will be going.
Yeah, come on. Lawyer will give it to the lawyer. So now I would like to welcome. Raise your hand who wants to be there for this another case. And now this case will be fought against me.
Before this court, what is happening in this marriage between Alok and his wife?
Alok is a dipsomaniac or alcoholic person.
Alok is an alcoholic person. He usually take drugs and daily consumes alcohol and beats her wife.
His wife.
Beats his wife. Lords, not only this stops here. He also tortures her wife, his wife, for dowry. Father-in-law and mother-in-law for dowry, and pressurize them for a certain amount which they cannot give him. Also, on certain occasions, Alok has been caught committing adultery with laws. Section 5 and Section 13 of Hindu Marriage Act. It provides for the grounds of divorce if husband commits adultery, if he commits domestic violence, if he asks for dowry, if he commits cruelty against his wife. So, my lords, this is a clear case for a divorce. The wife is not in a situation to live with Alok, and Alok she has tried her best to compromise and settle with him, but till date that settlement has been